How to create a Contact Us page. Hi, I'm Ryan Huff. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Contact Us page. But before I get into it, I wanted to take a step back and explain why I'm making this video. Firstly, this video is a part of a series of videos where I show you exactly how to make a Clicky website with WordPress. I've laid out my entire process in easy to follow mind map with process notes and the Clicky website templates. If you'd like a free copy, just head on over to my website by clicking the link that will appear. Creating the Contact Us page. So the first thing you want to do is go to Ninja Forms and Dashboard. If you haven't installed Ninja Forms yet, you would go to Plugins and install it through Plugins. So you want to copy the Ninja Forms shortcode. And you want to go to Pages and All Pages. You want to go to your Contact Us page and edit with Thrive Architect. Go to Page Setup, choose a landing page template, save landing pages, and then import your template page, or choose your template page and then click Choose Template. And that will then open up this page. Then you want to delete all the elements within this page. And you want to drag this WordPress content item into your content box. And if you click on the text tab and copy and paste the Ninja Forms code in there and then click save. And that's your Contact Us page finished. Remember, if you want to get a copy of my free mind map, process notes and the Clicky website templates, then just head on over to my website to download it. There's a lot of back-end work and plugins that go into setting up a Clicky website. I do offer a paid service to do everything for you. If that's of interest, you can email me at ryan@clickywebsites.com or visit my website. I regularly add new videos to my channel, so make sure you subscribe if you want to get them as soon as possible. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like me to make.